Today, we're going to discuss the top 4 ways you can start making money with YouTube. Stay tuned. What's up guys? Welcome back to the Kersten Show, where every episode we show you something different on business, investing, entrepreneurship, and personal growth. So today we're going to be talking about the top 4 ways to make money with YouTube. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can be notified each time we upload a new video. You've probably heard the stories about people making money on YouTube. Everything from little kids making millions of dollars to adults bringing in a couple thousand, maybe even a few million for themselves. If that's not inspiring, I don't know what is. If there's one place on the internet that is the opportunity to make a substantial amount of money, YouTube is it. Now the first way that you can make money with YouTube, and is typically the most talked about, is going to be through ads. And when it comes to running ads, there was a big change in 2018 that actually kind of disgruntled the YouTube community. And what that change was is that in order for you to run ads on your videos, you have to have A, at least 1,000 subscribers, and B, over 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. Now the trick to running ads and making that work is having long format videos, because the longer the videos are and the more time that people are staying on, the more places within the video you can insert an ad. Obviously you don't want to do it too much because it can be kind of quite annoying and maybe your watchers or viewers will leave. But if you do it just enough, maybe every couple of minutes or so, something that's sporadic enough not to annoy them, I think you'll be just fine. Make sure your videos are entertaining and gonna keep people engaged. That way they can stay throughout the length of the video and see each ad that it's placed. If they don't see the ad, then it doesn't really work and you won't be getting paid for that view. The second way to make money with YouTube is by promoting products that you're selling through a store, maybe like Shopify or Etsy or Teespring, something like that, where you've designed a product or you're drop shipping them from AliExpress or Alibaba, and you're selling those products that are maybe branded to you or don't even really necessarily have to be, but it does help. The third way to make money on YouTube is by selling information products, or otherwise known as courses. Now I know, before you flip out, everybody gets a little weird whenever they say they're selling courses. Well, the truth of the matter is, that's where you're gonna make more money. You can go join the others that are digging for gold, or you can just sell the shovels. So if you know a lot of information about one particular type of niche, that's what I would recommend to do. Develop a course that teaches people everything that you know, all compiled into one little information, and sell it back. You can sell it for 50, see how it goes. You could start raising the price to 100, 200, 500, it doesn't matter. Think about it like this. If you sold 1,000 courses priced at $500, you've just made $500,000 pretty quickly. And the fourth and final way to make money on YouTube is by affiliate marketing. This is selling other people's products, whether that be physical products or courses. So a lot of people have already designed these courses, already designed these products that your audience is interested in, and you can direct them to it, but with an affiliate link, and when they make a purchase, you make a little bit of percentage of the profit. There are a number of ways to do this. You can go out to other influencers who are selling their products, or you can go to something like clickbank.com, where they literally have hundreds of different products that have already been put together, information products as well, and you could sell those and make a profit from that. Well, that's it guys. It was a pretty short and sweet video, but I hope that it helped you get some ideas on how you can make money on YouTube. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, or let me know what you thought of the video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and until next time, take care.